Good morning. Good morning, kids. Good morning. How are you? Hello. Wake up, kids. Wake up. Okay, kids. Let's start. Welcome to the class. Okay, are you ready? Good. Excellent. Wonderful. Okay. Today is May. Today is May 25th, 2020. Today is May 25th, 2020, okay? Today's topic is farm animals. Farm animals. Farm animals. ¿Quién ha ido a una granja? Farm animals. Pig. Pig. Una sheep. Be. Farm animals, okay? But now we are going to sing the song Happy Fruit. Sing along with me, okay? Canten conmigo, chicos, okay? Okay.
Telling friends.
1, 2, 3. Apple, orange, pineapple. Apple, orange, pineapple. Lemon, durian, and bananas. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Apple, orange, pineapple. Apple, orange, pineapple. Mangoes, coconut, and watermelon. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Apple, orange, pineapple. Apple, orange, pineapple. Mangosteen, papaya, and green apple. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Happy fruits. Apple, la 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 la. Good. Perfect. Okay. Farm animals. Today's topic is farm animals. ¿Quién ha ido a una granja? ¿Tú? ¿Se han visto los farm animals? Be. Moo. Perdón. Okay. Be. Oi. You know? Okay. Farms animals. For example, pig. Oi. Sheep. Be. Ya le llegó la sheep a esta. Sheep. Be. Horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Cow. Cow. Chicken. Chicken. Quack, quack, quack. Chicken. Horse. Pram, 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 pram. Horse. Cow. Cow. Repeat after me. Cow. Good. Very good. Now we are going to watch a video, the flashcard, the talk flashcard about the farm animals, okay? Vamos a ver unas flashcards de farm animals, okay, kids? Are you ready? Okay. Okay, kids. Okay. Okay, kids. I'm ready. I'm ready. Farm animal.
Chicken.
Chicken. Repeat after me. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Farm animals.
Cow.
Cow. Moo.
Cow.
Cow.
Goat.
Goat.
Goat. Horse.
Horse.
Horse. Pig.
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 Turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey. Donkey.
Donkey. Donkey.
Donkey. Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Duck. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep. Dog.
Dog.
Dog. Cat. Cat. Hi, kiddos.
One more time, kids. One more time. One more time.
Chicken.
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 Cow.
Cow.
Cow. Goat.
Goat. Goat.
Goat.
Horse.
Horse.
Horse. Turkey.
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 Donkey.
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 Duck.
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 Duck. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
Dog.
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 Okay. Farm animals. Sheep. Mbe. Mbe. Pig. I. Hello, sheep. Hello. How are you, pig? How are you? We are farm animals. Farm animal. E-I-E-I-O. Farm animals. Okay. Horse. Horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Cow. Cow. Chicken. O hen. Es una hen. Wow, cu, 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 cuá. Chicken. Or hen is the same. Okay. Farm animals. Farm animals. Activity for today. ¿Cuál será la actividad del día de hoy? Activity for today. The farm animals. Okay, the farm animals. Farm animals. Okay, the farm animal. Nos dice que tenemos que recortar los farm animals, los animales de la granja, y pegarlos. For example, el shark. ¿El shark es una farm animal? ¿El shark? No. Solamente el cow, pig, chicken, horse, goat, and sheep. Farm animals, solo los animales de la granja. Los vamos a colorear, recortar y pegar. Only farm animals. Repeat after me. Cow, pig, chicken, horse, goat, sheep. Solamente esos animals. Los vamos a color. Farm animals. Los vamos a colorear y a pegar. And repeat vocabulary, okay? Pig, chicken, horse, cow, pig, and I, sheep. Be. Only farm animal. Solamente los animales de la granja. Farm animals, ¿ok? And repeat the vocabulary. Tratemos de repetir el vocabulario. Horse, perdón. Sheep, be. Pig, I. Okay? Farms, animals, okay? Okay. Tomorrow we will continue, okay? Bye-bye, kids. Bye.